Intelligent Casing Production Line. Based on such functions of the traditional production line as flaw detection, sampling, number 1 vehicle wire, number 1 thread check, coupling tightening, drift diameter, water pressure, number 2 vehicle wire, number 2 silk check, tightening ring. We upgrade the production line intellectually by equipping with rust-removing machine and barcode spraying to realize the tracking by leg. The wire inspection station is equipped with wire thread automatic inspection and hoop screw and contact station configuration by robot coupling pre-tightening and screwing machine to realize joint control, reaching the standard of J value exempted from inspection. It is equipped robot fat liquoring and screwing protection ring at the protection ring installation station by fully integrating the subsystems such as ERP and MES. This production line, with the support of big data, machine intelligence, and digital manufacturing, has advanced analysis and prediction capability. It has realized the integration of sales, manufacturing, and service data, and transfers the traditional manufacturing to intelligent one. The gorgeous transformation of manufacturing can effectively reduce labor cost, production cost, and improve productivity after upgrading of traditional technology. Corporate to customers. Our main customers are some big companies like Tianjin Pipe Group Corporation, Shanghai Bao Steel Pipe Factory, Baogong Group in Baozhou, Seamless Steel Pipe in An Steel, Baojia Steel Pipe Company under CNPC, Yantai Branch under Bao Steel, and Valorec.